Rosemary Sumambot, and for today's video, I'm going to present to you one of the wonders of the world. And guess what? This one might be familiar to you. This is the Northern Light. The Northern Lights can be found in North Pole, specifically in Scotland, Alberta, Canada, in Greenland, and Finland. It can also be found in Trosmo, Norway because it's within the auroral ring, and in Iceland where you can experience the pink, purple, and green Northern Lights. Lastly, the place where you can see the Northern Lights and experience the magical moment is in Fairbanks in Alaska. Just like in Trosmo, Norway, it sits in the auroral oval, a ring-shaped zone around the North Pole where aurora activities is concentrated. Fairbanks region is the second largest population center in Alaska. It is renowned auroral viewing, lures people from all over the world during aurora season. And the best time to see the Northern Lights in Fairbanks is during August 21 to April 21, and the aurora borealis is visible in 4 to 5 nights when the sky is clear and dark enough. Aurora borealis offer a magical and dramatic display on the sky that fascinate all who can see it. But what causes this dazzling phenomenon? The aurora starts from the sun's solar wind into space, in which these solar winds are the escaped particles of the sun from the sunspot regions. When the charged particles released by the sun collide with the gaseous particles of the earth, it creates a light or known as auroras. The electrically charged coming from the sun enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with gases such as oxygen and nitrogen. The charged particles coming from the sun flow out when there is an opening in the sun's atmosphere that allow electron and proton to escape. And when the charged particles are blown towards the Earth by the solar wind, they are largely deflected by the Earth's magnetic field. However, the Earth's magnetic field is weaker at both poles of the Earth, and that's the reason why some particles enter Earth's atmosphere and collide with gas particles that emit lights that we perceive as the dancing of auroras. But we need quite a lot of these charged particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere to create vivid display. And also, the collision of these particles make a difference to the colors that appear in the sky. When the particles collide with oxygen, yellow and green are produced, and the interaction with nitrogen produce red, violet, and occasionally blue color. Aurora has been observed since ancient time. In 1619 AD, Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, coined the term aurora borealis for an astronomical phenomenon that observed mostly at very high latitude, where a shimmering bands of color are racing across the night sky. The name Aurora came after the goddess of dawn and Boreas, the god of the north wind. And also, the early Eskimos and the Indians believe on the different legends about this northern light, such as they believe that this northern light were the souls of animals dancing in the sky or the soul of fallen enemies trying to rise again. Aurora borealis is one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. It is a magical arc of color that stretches in a seemingly endless band, hundreds or thousands of miles long. And this northern light have inspired wonder in the generation of people who have laid eyes upon them. And that's for today's video. Hope you enjoy our virtual to the wonderful northern light.